Hello everyone, my name is MJ and my teammate is named Yuyi and our project is called Learning Pathways.
What makes Bayview different is the people. You love something and you care about something, and it makes you want to be a part of it, and you care about what's going on in that area.
Bayview is the struggle, it is the fight, and it's the last stronghold in San Francisco for Black people.
The only way that a community is going to heal is through the expression of the history.
The Comparative Analysis study outlines the resources between Hunters Point Bayview area and different neighborhoods in San Francisco. The research demonstrates a correlation between lower income and lack of higher education. By comparing one area of San Francisco to the next, we're also identifying the multiple layers of marginalization between communities as they do not have access to the same amount of resources. The analysis ranges from education, accessibility to parks, fresh produce, and art programs. Islais Creek was once the largest watershed in the San Francisco Bay. However, real estate speculators gradually channelized and filled the area. Sprouting power plants and shipyards along the way, the local ecosystem was transformed. While redevelopment of the land was not prioritized, it took the local community years and efforts to remove the harmful fallout of the construction. Currently, the creek is a major outflow for a water plant treatment which processes 80% of the city's solid waste. By restoring the waterfront through this project, the hope is to reintroduce diverse ecological bodies to the site. In addition to the approximately 1,800 square foot abandoned pier will be revitalized and prepared for eventual sea level rise. Learning Pathways is a project for the Bayview Hunters Point community which gives space for intergenerational learning, environmental education, and coastal adaptation. The project is organized around two towers with an interconnecting accessible ramp which links each of the spaces along a path. The ground level allows access to an upper level which contains gardens, outdoor accessibility areas, and visual connections to the exterior of the towers and the surrounding building. Our aim is to create spaces of inclusion and safety during times of uncertainty. One way to introduce learning pathways to the community is by creating sidewalk murals. These murals would integrate into the city landscape, creating pathways directing people to visit Islais Creek. These pathways create safe passages between the city with visibility and accessibility to otherwise forgotten areas, taking advantage of each block density. The program for the two towers focuses on non-traditional ways of education and how to adapt to different learning styles, cultivating new interests and creating a gateway for new innovation and integration to the existing community. Learning Pathways aims to utilize and be timeless as a building, providing a balance between community and nature, and as a mantra for the Bayview Hunters Point community to heal through new found opportunities.